This is Mr. Brown, lives in Covina. From the last few days, he noticed that his personal computer system started malfunctioning. He immediately looking for the best computer repair shop near me. After a thorough search, he found iTech Xpress. It is one of the most reliable and reputable computer repair service store in Covina, offers factory-grade repair solutions. Their team of experienced computer repair technicians always use the genuine spare parts for quick replacement. They offer free estimation of computer repair or part replacement costs. And the best part is that their service charges are affordable in comparison. He contacted them at 626-777-4747 and got his computer repair back within the same day. More info at https://itechexpressinc.com.